Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I would share with you a quick haul on some items I recently picked up at Michael's and at Target. So let's get started. So I went in to Target for one thing, and that was a gift card. My great nephew, whom you may have seen in my Alaska trip videos, he's having a birthday later this month, so I wanted to pick up a gift card to send to him. But while I was there, I decided to take a look in the dollar section, of course, since it's right by the front door, and I did find a couple of things. And before I show you the first one, I want to tell you that my Target acts sort of as a regional hub for other Targets. So when they're getting ready to clear out the seasonal decor at other Targets, they will gather that together and send it to my Target store. And my Target then will put out all of this merchandise at once, and oftentimes it's things we never saw in our store. So my first item is one of those things. I had wanted to get this little truck. It's a blue truck. I think you can kind of see the blue there, very dark navy blue. It's $3, and I don't do farmhouse decor, but I do like vintage type looking things, and I thought this could work in a variety of reasons. I didn't want a red one. I wanted a blue one because I want to put it in my kitchen, and I have blues and yellows and reds in there, and I wanted the blue one because I really like blue. It's one of my favorite colors. So I did pick this up. They're $3, and there were about 12 of them sitting in this one bin, and we'd never had them before. One other thing I picked up there, this is the only, no, there's two more things. So I also got one of these shopping lists. I usually put one of the free ones up on my fridge that you get from the realtor, but this time I decided, I'll be a little festive. My one list is almost running out, so I'm going to put this up to be had a little seasonal decor. And then one more thing, they had one little bin full of these. These were the only Christmas items that my store had out, and they're a box of these little ornaments. It was $1. They also had some red and green and I think gold ones, but I got these silver ones. And I thought maybe at Christmas time I could put a bunch of those in the back of this truck. I'm not sure. I may use them for something else, but I decided to go ahead and pick them up because they were cute and I figured I could use them somewhere. So that's it from Target. And I forgot to mention, I did get a couple things from Staples. I went in there specifically for one item, and I need to find it. There it is. Sorry about that. Okay, so I went in because I needed some more chalk labels to go on my canisters that I keep in my pantry. And I usually get these Martha Stewart ones. There are 6 sheets with 3, so you get 18 stickers. And I use them in my pantry, which is behind me. I'm going to show you one. Okay, so I have this one. You can see I put them across the front, and then I write on them what's in them. So I had a few more containers that I needed to put some labels on. Like this one. This is my powdered monk fruit. So I wanted to pick up some more of those. And when I was in there, I saw this display of some very nice office type of supplies. Of course, it's Staples, but like desk supplies, pretty desk things. And they had this pen, and I know my planner pen is going to run out of ink pretty soon. You can see this was $2.99. I just thought that was really pretty. Normally I'm not a glam type of person, but for my planner I thought it was cute. So that's what I got at Staples. And then, because I do use a planner, I went over to Michael's. Michael's was having their planner things 40% off. And so I wanted to pick up a new planner for next year. So I went and got one. I use a Happy Planner. And Happy Planner has different layouts. So I had to look through a whole bunch of them before I found one that I wanted. And it shows it on the back here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, this one I really like because it's just the squares, and I'll show you a page. I can't open it all the way because it's kind of bound, but you can see It's just the squares. It doesn't have any headings. And I like that because the one I have now, I got at Costco, and it has headings. It says morning, afternoon, evening. I don't use them that way, so I always cover up those headings with something else. But washi tape, unless it's really opaque, still shows through the words sometimes. So I wanted to get one that did not have any headings like this, so if I want to put washi on or decorate it some other way, it would be it wouldn't show through. That's what I'm trying to say. So I usually don't use this cover because I have a different quilted cover that I use, but that's why the front cover and the interior design wasn't as important to me as the layout of the page. So that's the main thing I got, and then I got some things to go with it. Not more washi, because I have enough of that, but they had some of their sticker books on clearance. So I got a couple of those. Well, I got a couple things that were on clearance. This was on clearance. I think it was like $1. And it has a bunch of little icon type stickers in it and other stickers. So I do use some stickers to mark appointments and tasks and things. And then I got this package, which was also on clearance, and it has some little inspirational quotes and designs on it. I think they're all the same. The front and the back are definitely the same. I don't know how many sheets there are. I think there's probably 5 sheets because it says it has 55 stickers. And then I do, like I said, like to use little icons. So I just got a couple little packages of these so I could use them to mark different things in my planner. And those were the ones that, these 2 were on clearance, but these were not. These were 40% off though. Oh, and one more thing I found. I'd been wanting one of these and I had never seen one. You can, these are little inserts for your planner, and they say line it up and check it off. And you can do a little better here. So you can create your own checklists. One has round dots on it, and the other has open squares on it. So you can create either a square or a round checklist within the planner. And they don't really show any being used here, but I do like to use a checklist for my zone cleaning that I'm going to be doing for that day. So I thought this was great. That way I don't have to print out or create my own checklist. I can just line it up. It'll look a little bit neater. I really like that. So that's it for my haul. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. If you like Plan With Me's, I will be having one come up shortly for the month of November. So stay tuned.